Now, one of the main questions that I've always received on this particular playlist is when I'm showing these mesas or these, let's say, Devil's Tower, huge mountainsides that are like that seem to be trees that have been cut down, and the obvious question is always, well, who's cut them down? Now, obviously, I suggested that it could have been giants, it could have been our creator. The book of Enoch mentions the angels, apparently previous to the flood, so mankind could not climb out of the water, okay, so everything would die. I think that the most of the material I show within this playlist is from a previous age, okay, the fall of man or Satan, okay. I can tell you that academia in general, it's accepted that most petrification of wood has come about from volcanic ash events, okay. And then when I see images like this, you see a lot of this petrified wood and it's all in sections like this one's been banded together to keep it all in one piece. Most of the huge rocks, outcrops of rocks that we see across the plain, I mean, imagine something like this. It's our size, right? A wave comes in and it's all been smashed to pieces and it just floods and gets thrown all over the plain, okay? Then it starts petrifying, some of it erodes away to sand, and then you see what we see today. But all I can do is look at this stuff with a logical brain, and the logical mind tells me that this is absolutely 100% wood of some type. Now, whether or not this stuff was different back then is a possibility. Just to come out and ask me in the comment section, well, this stuff could be tested, it's not the same as petrified wood. Well, what type of petrified wood? There's many types even now. There's thousands and thousands of many types of shrub, tree, grasses, right? You don't know what you're looking at. We don't know how different it was. Everything in the pre-flood world, the age before this one, was 3 times bigger. The stuff I show in this album is on a different level. We don't know what it was like, but I just know what I'm looking at. 5 of the 8 names here should have been on the last video, but I wasn't sure if I was going to delete it or even put it on my other channel, so I did not want to do that to you guys. Well, if you like that, ladies and gentlemen, and you want to help the channel moving forward, you can press on the link in a pinned comment, which will be in every video from now on. Thank you.